Welcome to our Dashcam Showdown. Today, we're comparing two impressive models. The DELLFY Dash Cam, known for its high-resolution front and rear recording, and the STARVIS 3-channel dash camera, which offers advanced features and superior night vision. We'll dive into their specifications, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the DELLFY Dash Cam is significantly more affordable at just $84, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In contrast, the STARVIS 3-channel dash camera comes with a higher price tag of $199, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution, the DELLFY is hard to beat. But if you're willing to invest more for enhanced performance, the STARVIS may be worth considering. Both dash cams offer 4K resolution for the front camera, ensuring clear and detailed footage. However, the DELLFY dash cam boasts a 2K resolution for its rear camera, providing superior clarity compared to the STARVIS 1080p rear camera. This difference can be crucial for capturing details in the rear view, especially in critical situations. If rear resolution is a priority for you, the DELLFY has the edge. The DELLFY Dashcam is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring a 3.0-inch IPS touchscreen and app control for easy operation. On the other hand, the STARVIS 3-channel dash camera incorporates advanced technology, including the STARVIS 2 sensor for enhanced night vision and built-in GPS for tracking. While the DELLFY is great for straightforward use, the STARVIS offers more sophisticated features for those who need them. In conclusion, both the DELLFY and STARVIS dash cameras have their strengths. The DELLFY offers excellent value with high resolution and affordability, while the STARVIS excels in advanced features and night vision capabilities. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.